Hey YouTubers, I am doing a video here on a 9-lead dual voltage 2 horsepower motor for a swamp cooler. Very simple. You go with your connections on your low volt. Okay. If you want to do 230, you do your L1, right? You wire nut that to your T1 and T7 terminals, and then L2 to T2 to T8, wire all 3 of those together, then your L3 to T3 and your T9. High voltage, a little bit different. Okay, you're going to take your L1 and you're gonna wire nut it with your T1, L2 to T2, L3 to T3. Okay, do not connect T4 and T7 to T1. You're gonna wire nut those separately, just like the diagram shows you. T4 and T7 get wire nutted, T5, T8 get wire nutted, and T6 and T9 get wire nutted. Simple as that. Hope this helps you out.